Hi guys, my name is Enorita James. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to create a simple custom pattern using a simple to use online software called Tailornova. Pattern drafting is quite interesting, but it can be very intimidating for a beginner. I have had a few videos on my website on how Tailornova works, and I'm going to put the link right there on how you can register for free and how you can test it to see how easy it is you can use to create your patterns. You don't need to do any kind of calculations. You don't need to stress yourself on too much measurements and all that. All you need is to just get in there, create the pattern that you want, download it, put it on your dress, and cut it. So let's go create a simple blouse pattern using this simple online pattern making software called Tailornova. This is my account on Tailornova. I have a video where I show you how you can open an account with Tailornova. It's very easy. All you need is your email address and your name. And once you're done with that and you click the link they send to your email, you're good to go. So once you're in this account, you go to where you have your name and you click on this 3D fit model. Now the 3D fit model is the measurement you've already put in for yourself or whomever you want to make this design for. I have two designs already. On a free plan, you can put 3 different designs on a free plan, and then you can create whatever pattern you want to create based on these measurements that you've put in. For now, I'm going to use this particular model. So I'll just go there and click use model. And then it will open up for me this page. I don't need the video. If you want to watch it, you're free to watch it, but I don't need to watch it. So once you have this page now, you now go straight here to design, where we are going to choose a new design. So we are going to make a simple blouse. This is what the blouse looks like. If I click on this blouse, whatever pattern I'm going to see is a pattern for this blouse, this top. But I'll show you how you can do changes to this, changes to the neck, changes to the sleeves. I'm going to show you how to do that since we are creating a simple blouse. As you can see, you can create other things. You can create a skirt, trouser, jumpsuit, and dresses. So it depends on you. You can also do menswear. Let me just go ahead and show it to you. You can also do menswear. You can do shirts, you can do t-shirts, you can do pants. But today we are creating a simple custom blouse pattern, a made-to-measure blouse pattern for yourself. So you just click that and then you go to let's get started. So if you don't want to do anything, this is the pattern. All you have to do is to click here and then you click on download and it downloads your patterns for you. But let's say you don't like the sleeves as it is, you want another sleeve, you want another neck, you want to have some darts. That is what I'm going to show you how to do. So the very first thing you need to do, let's go change our sleeves. Let's say you go here and you say you want to add a sleeve to this your pattern. If you notice here, there are 2 sections that has come out. The technical sketch that shows you exactly what the dress looks like, both front and back. If you want, you can click the front. It will show you the front of how the front is going to look like. You click the back of how the back of the dress is going to look like. You click both. It shows you the two, the front and the back. And it shows you here how your patterns are going to be distributed. When you print it out, how you're going to place them together. This is what your pattern is going to look like. As you can see, it's quite easy. It's so easy. On the free plan of Tailornova, you can only do 2 clothes. Either you do 2 blouses, or you do 2 dresses, or you do a blouse, 1 blouse, and you do 1 shirt. Just 2 patterns that you have free. That is what you can do with this. So now let's change our sleeve. You have about 44 sleeves here. So it depends on you. You can decide. Let's say I want to have a sleeve that is very full flat sleeve. If I click on that, let's see what happens. You see, the style is different. This is your sleeve, this is your pattern, this is how your pattern is going to look like, this is how your dress is going to look like. It's as easy as that. So whatever sleeve you want, you can go ahead and click and try it and see exactly what it looks like. Now let's say we don't like this neck as round as it is, we want to change it. So let's go here to the neck. And then you could choose here for any kind of neck that you want, that you like. Let me see, I think I like this one. So if I click this one now, it's going to change the way the neck of my blouse is going to look. So it has changed, as you can see. This is how my blouse is going to look. Then you can go to the back neck. If you want to change the back neck to look exactly like that, or you want it to be something like this, let's change it to some, this looks nice, something like that. So you see, that is how the back of your blouse is going to look like. You're beginning to see that it's so easy. You don't have any stress. So this is your pattern for your blouse. So let's say you want this blouse to be not so short, maybe a little bit longer. Then let's go to the silhouette. Once you go to the silhouette, it now tells you variations that you can, the different kinds of things that you can do. You can now put in, okay, what kind of fabric do you want to use and make this blouse? You want to use woven fabric or you want to use knit? Now this, anyone you choose will affect the way the pattern is. So you need to know what kind of material are you going to use. If you do not know what is woven materials or knit materials, I have a full video where I discuss different kinds of materials and what they look like and what they are. I'll link the video so that you can go ahead and look at it and see what this means. So let's say we take woven material and we go to variations. You know, what kind of darts do you want? Do you want a bust dart? Do you want a mid-arm hole or waist dart? What kind of darts? So me, I normally like bust and waist dart, so I can click that. And once I click the bust and waist, I click on apply and it will apply to it. So now it has shown you different kinds of bust and waist dart. So it's left for us now to choose which one do we want here now. Which one do we want? So let me see. I think I like, let me take this one. So once I click on that one, you'll see that it has changed my pattern exactly to the one that I clicked. So what of the length of the blouse? How long do I want my blouse to be? Just click here on the length. Do I want it to be mid-rib, that is at my just at my waist? Do I want it to be above my high hip, or do I want it to be at my high hip? I want it to be at my high hip. So I can click here and then I will apply. So this is the different kinds. So I will just go here and I will choose. Which one will I choose? Let me choose this one. I think I like this one. Choose this one. So that is how it's going to look. That's how my blouse is going to look. So I'm satisfied with the way it looks. This is my pattern for my blouse. These are the facings for the front neck, the facing for the back, you know. So this is how my patterns are going to come out. And if you notice here, this is the 3D I chose. This is the particular measurement I chose. If you don't know how to enter measurements on Tailornova, I have a full video showing you step by step how you can enter your measurements on Tailornova. So this is my blouse. I like it the way it is. Now, the next thing that I want to show you now is what kind of fabric are you going to use? If you click on fabric, it shows you different kinds of fabric. But you find out that you can actually upload the fabric you want to use. Just make a picture of your fabric and then click on my fabric. And then there's no element here because I've not uploaded anything. But if you click down here, you can click on upload fabric, and then you can give a fabric name to your fabric, and then what kind of fabric is it? Is it woven? Is it knit? You now click it there, and then you can upload your fabric. It's as easy as that. It's not so difficult. The reason that this is nice is that it can actually show you how your blouse will look like. Finished blouse would look like on that fabric. But let's go ahead and just let me show you how that is done if you have your fabric already uploaded. Let's say I want to use this flowery fabric on the dress. It actually shows you this is how the dress will look like if you're using this. So all you have to do is just keep testing the kind of fabric you want to use. You can always go and look for that kind of fabric if it looks nice and beautiful. I always love this. Let's see this. So that's, oh, it's so cute. Or this. Or even this. No, I don't like that one. I think I prefer, let's see. Let's look at this one. I think it looks better with a flowery fabric. Looks nice because of the flayed hand. So you can see how easy it is. Once you're done and you're okay with everything, all you have to do is go here and then click download. I cannot download because I've already done 2 patterns with this on a free subscription. So that is how easy it is. And once you download this, parcel it together. I have a video where I show you how to download these patterns on a dress. I made a dress and how you can put them together. It's very simple. It's really simple. So remember to give your design a name so that if you want to come back later, maybe you're not ready to print it out. If you want to come back later, you'll be able to find it. So I've given this, my design, a name. So that is all there is to it. As I said, you want to download your pattern, just go here and then download it. I can't download because I already passed, I've only used it for 2 patterns, as I've said initially. So that is how easy it is to actually create a simple custom fit made to measure blouse using our simple online dress pattern making software called Tailornova. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can see how simple it is. And as long as you remember to save your pattern, even if you are not ready to subscribe on it, subscribe for Tailornova. Maybe later you want to subscribe, you can get back to that your pattern and just download it. A disclaimer here, I'm not working for Tailornova. They're not paying me to do this. I just discovered it. I've used it 2 times and it's wonderful. Very simple, very easy, and it saves a lot of time. So thank you so much for watching this video. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about how you can see a fashion or a dress online and how you can just copy that style using Tailornova and make the dress for yourself, especially if you don't want to buy it or maybe it's too expensive. You can just see how you can replicate that style and make the dress for yourself. So stay tuned for my next video. Thank you so much for watching.